Hey guys, it's Sam from Rizom-Lab, and in this quick tip video we're going to be taking a look at a feature that is new to 2025 called Pack Groups to Tiles. So let's head on over to the application and take a look. Okay, so here we are in RizomUV. I've loaded this model of a radio and placed sections of it into several groups. If you use RizomUV already, you're probably aware that you can already distribute islands across UDIM tiles based on category. And we can do this via the Polygon Groups dialog. So if I hit the select tool here and open this dialog here, you can see that we can select objects, materials, polygroups, or even smoothing groups, and select them and distribute them in tiles. But what about distributing your islands based on the created groups within RizomUV? Well, now in 2025, this is possible. So I'm going to open up the left-hand side panel here and make sure we're on the Groups tab. Here we have our Groups Outliner. And at the bottom here, we have our Group Settings. And you'll notice a new section here called Pack to Tiles. First, I'm going to expand our UV viewport. And I'm going to make some room for our incoming tiles too. And leaving all of these settings at default, I'm just going to hit the 1-to-1 button. You'll notice for each group, a new tile has been created, and each of these groups has been placed in one of those tiles. This is the meaning of 1-to-1. So let's back up and undo with Ctrl-Z. Now we'll take a look at this max column setting here. It's set to 10 by default, but we've only got 4 groups. So let's reduce this to 2 and hit 1-to-1 again. This time, the first row has been populated up until the second tile, then moves up to the second row and continues packing. This is because we limited our max columns to 2. So let's undo again. And we'll move on to this filling direction setting here. It's currently set to row, and I'm going to leave everything as is for now, but this time when I press 1-to-1, notice the order the tiles are populated. So let's hit 1-to-1. So the first tile first, moves on to this one, then the next row up, and continues filling. So let's undo this and change our filling direction to column. Hit 1-to-1, and look again. This tile first, then this tile, then this tile. So the filling direction has now been changed so it follows the columns instead of rows. You can see how using a combination of these tools allows you to determine how and where your tiles are populated. So let's undo this again and return our filling direction to row. Next, let's take a look at the existing in tile setting here. This setting concerns itself with already existing islands in tiles that are not in groups. So with that in mind, let's create some. I'm going to select this G3 group here and ungroup them. Now we have 3 islands existing in this tile. The existing in tile setting is currently set to lock. So let's press 1-to-1 and see what this does. You'll notice that these islands not in a group were locked in place in their tile, and the content of the group has been wrapped around them. So let's undo this again, and this time we'll change this setting to repack, and we'll press 1-to-1 again. This time our ungrouped islands have remained in the tile that they were already in, but have been repacked alongside the contents of this group. So I'm going to undo this again, so our group is back, and I'm going to change this back to locked. The last setting to look at is the Mixed button here. This simply packs all groups' contents in active tiles. So let's just press Mixed. So there's a few things to note when using Mixed. All groups' contents is packed together, but only in existing tiles. No new tiles are created, so the max column settings here is completely redundant in this case. So let's undo this and create our own tiles. So if I go up to UV Set, down to UDIMs, and we'll create another tile, and we'll press the Mix button again. Again, all groups' content is packed together or mixed, but only in existing tiles. So that's it, guys. That's the new Pack to Tiles tool in 2025. We hope that this will be useful to you, and we hope you enjoyed this quick tip. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for video updates. You can check us out on social media, Discord, and our website, links in the description. And if you're looking for more RizomUV content, you can choose one of these videos on screen. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.